You'll be amazed to see what happens when you wrap a simple yarn around your plant's trunk. It may look like an ordinary thread, but once charged with the right natural power, it becomes a silent guardian for your plants, protecting, healing, and strengthening them from the roots up. Take a clean cup of water and add 1 spoon of garlic powder. As you pour it in, imagine infusing the water with nature's oldest defense, garlic's strong antibacterial and antifungal energy. Mix it well until the water turns slightly cloudy and fragrant. Now, take a piece of yarn. Any soft, absorbent kind will do. Dip it completely into the garlic water and let it soak for a few minutes. This helps the yarn absorb all that natural goodness, creating a gentle barrier of protection. Once soaked, wrap the yarn carefully around the lower trunk of your plant or tree. Not too tight, and just snug enough to hold. As the yarn dries, it slowly releases the scent and compounds of garlic, forming an invisible shield. This simple wrap naturally keeps pests, ants, and harmful insects away from your plants. The strong garlic essence repels unwanted visitors while allowing your plant to breathe and grow freely. Over the next few days, you'll notice fewer pest attacks, healthier leaves, and a stronger trunk. Sometimes the simplest touch of nature is all it takes to protect your garden. Try this once, and let your plant stay pest-free the natural way.